Hi guys, I'm Stu, also known as Plantastic Mr. Fox. Just want to start by thanking the Sill for asking me to share with you my top self-care Sunday tips. I hope you like. Tip 1 is plant care. As part of my watering routine weekly, I scrub and wipe my leaves down, just to remove any dust, and then check for dead leaves and bugs. Tip 2 is cooking. I find cooking really therapeutic and really relaxing, so most Sundays I'll cook. But yeah, it's normally something quite easy, like a one pot. So today I'm doing a sausage casserole with loads of vegetables. Picked nice spring vegetables as it's the start of spring, so thought that would be a nice idea. Tip 4 is a cup of tea and a cute book. Currently reading the Bee Book, which is about the wonder of bees, how to protect them, and beekeeping know-how. Never done beekeeping before, but that could be a new fad. So I like to unwind in the evening with a face mask and also a foot spa. Love a foot spa. So in that I put this stuff, which is amazing, Epsom salt, which energizes and purifies, energizes and detoxifies, and it's clay and ginger, so it smells amazing. But yeah, super relaxing, so I just like to kick back, relax for a Sunday, not thinking about the week ahead, just chill. Thank you for listening, and I hope you liked all my care tips, and I'll see you soon. Bye.